Upside down day, breakfast for supper. Let's do a Mexican egg enchilada. Starting with the sauce, about 3/4 tablespoon of oil on a medium-high burner, adding 1/4 cup of bell pepper and half of a small onion. Just want to go ahead and get that softened down. This takes about 5 minutes or so. Once that's all nice and softened, we're adding an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, that's up to you, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and about a teaspoon of cumin. Set the stove to low and let that simmer about 10 minutes. While that's simmering, we're going to go ahead and get our eggs ready. 2 eggs, get those scrambled up. Adding 1 tablespoon of half and half, and then 2 tablespoons of diced green chilies. For what to do with the extra green chilies, check this recipe for a Mexican scramble. Now we're medium heat. We're going to melt a tablespoon of butter. Once that's melted, go ahead and add our eggs. All nice and scrambled. Grab one of our tortillas, pop it down in there to get it softened. Grab about half of our egg mixture, put that in the middle, and roll it up, and put it fold side down into our baking dish. Then repeat with the other tortilla. Then we spoon the rest of our sauce on top. Top with a half cup of jack or cheddar cheese. And then we'll pop that in the broiler just for the cheese to melt. In under 15 minutes, 2 egg enchiladas for supper. Serve this with an ice cream salad, so maybe some refritos. If you'd like more egg recipes, check this playlist. Recipe for this is in the description below, along with a link to my free solo cook survival guide. Cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. See you in the next one.